Hey kids, welcome to my channel. This video is about birds. Birds are warm-blooded, feathered vertebrates characterized by wings, toothless beaks, and laying hard-shelled eggs. In this video, we will learn ABC birds' name. So let's start. A. A is for Avocet. This is Avocet. B. B is for Blue Jay. This is Blue Jay. C. C is for Crow. This is Crow. D. D is for Duck. This is Duck. E. E is for Eagle. This is Eagle. F. F is for Finch. This is Finch. G. G is for Goose. This is Goose. H. H is for Hawk. This is Hawk. I. I is for Indigo Bunting. This is Indigo Bunting. J. J is for Junco. This is Junco. K. K is for Kingfisher. This is Kingfisher. L. L is for Lark. This is Lark. M. M is for Magpie. This is Magpie. N. N is for Nightingale. This is Nightingale. O. O is for Owl. This is Owl. P. P is for Parrot. This is Parrot. Q. Q is for Quail. This is Quail. R. R is for Robin. This is Robin. S. S is for Sparrow. This is Sparrow. T. T is for Turkey. This is Turkey. U. U is for Upupa. This is Upupa. V. V is for Vulture. This is Vulture. W. W is for Woodpecker. This is Woodpecker. X. X is for Xantus. This is Xantus. Y. Y is for Yellow Canary. This is Yellow Canary. Z. Z is for Zebra Dove. This is Zebra Dove. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please like and subscribe.